Hello, my name is Laura. I'm from the Estonian team, and I have to tell you in 1 minute what I miss about Estonia. And let me just begin that I miss Estonian Baltic Sea because right now, as you can see, behind me there's Malta, and it's very nice, and the water is really blue and really nice and hot, but it's very salty. So this is the first thing that I miss. I miss Baltic Sea. And I miss Estonian people who speak my language. And I miss Estonian cheese things with chocolate, kohuke. And I miss Estonian irony and bread and food and the weather, which is not always sunny like here. What else? Estonia is a country of forests, so I miss forests as well. There are not very many forests in some other places in the world. I completely don't understand what I'm talking about, but Estonia, my homeland Estonia. And I think I could just finish with I miss Estonia so much right now.